Good afternoon, YouTube, or should I say evening. Yep, it's 5 to 6. So today's little project is my Black & Decker drill. The wire on it, somehow, if I can show you, I can find it. The thing got caught in a door or something, and oh dear. Yes. So not very good. So the plan is to change this wire over. And also, you can see how old this is as well. That plug's definitely seen better days. So I'll put a new plug and a new fuse on my new wire, obviously. That's well and truly at it. That is a drill, a Black & Decker, made in England. I think it was made in 1985. I think that's what that means. So, I've already taken the screws off. So, this is inside the drill. I'll give that a little bit of a clean up as well. So this is where the wire comes in. This is the switch. I've done a bit of research on this switch, as I didn't understand how to get the wires out. So, from what it's saying online, is they are friction connections. So, these ones pulled out pretty easy, the old ones. So, from what it shows me online, I should just better get my new wire, and they should just, by friction, go back in. So that is the plan. Whether it be that simple, we will never know. But that is probably a lot of grime. And if this is a 1985 drill, which I can't see why I'd say 1985 if it wasn't, that's probably all grime from 85. But until the wire got split, it was a very good drill. So my plan is to take all this out. Where's the new wire? This is my new wire. Nice wire. Just got to put a plug on it, whatever not. The fuse in this plug here is a 5 amp, I do believe. Let's see if I can get it out. Doesn't matter if I break it. Yep, there's a 5 amp fuse. Ew, all that blackness just come off of that fuse, look. Ew. Quite surprised that even worked up until that cable got snapped, to be fair. So, I've got myself a pack of new 5 amp fuses. I think these are like 40p or something. Other shops are available, so you haven't got to go Wilco. So my plan now is to get on with this bit and bring you back when I've got some progress. Well, we have the new wires, and I twisted them like it showed me on the video that I watched on how to rewire one of these switches. Well, hopefully I'll be able to push these straight into the, what did I call them earlier? Little friction connector. I don't know if I gave you a close-up, but oh, where is it? These here apparently are friction connections. The nail varnishes, little pink nail varnishes, just so I made sure what side was the negative. I didn't want to put them around the wrong way, but that'd be rather stupid, wouldn't it? So, as you can see, this is how far I've got. And let me see if I can get these back in. Well, I'm encountering a bit of a problem. I can get the I can get the negative in easy. That pushes him, no problem whatsoever. But the positive that goes in there is stuck. So I do not know what to do. So I'm going to ponder. I just think that the where it's old, it's just probably got a bit of corrosion in there or something. I'm not too sure. So I'll have a little fiddle about a bit and see if I can get it done. Be right back. Well, we're finally back together. The wires are back in. Held tight. So all that's left to do now is to wire the plug on, put a 5 amp fuse in, and then go and turn it on and see if it works. I hope it does. If not, try again. Okay, there's my plug, all nicely wired up, very nicely done. All the screws and everything put back in my drill. So I'll bring it back to see if it works. So we are plugged in, and let's see if it works. Yes, it does. Rewire successfully. I will call that a wrap. And thank you for watching, and take care. Bye. Have a nice day.